Hey everyone, this is just a very quick video. This user here was asking about how does he get to see other users' trades on the chart. So you can see here he's looking for, this guy might have gone long, this guy might have called short, and he just wants to be able to work out how to get this back where he can see all the different ideas that people are posting on a particular, stock or cryptocurrency or whatever the asset happens to be. So all you do is you open up a new chart or whatever chart you want to open up. See this little cog up here. You click on that little cog settings. You're under symbol normally by the start. You go down to events. And if you click on this little box up here, see how it's put all these ideas up here. And you can basically choose whether you show everyone's ideas or just the ideas of people that you follow or just your own personal ideas. So that's just a really quick and easy way to see, who else is looking at that chart and, what their calls are. And so I'm just going to click OK. And so let's have a quick look. So this guy here was calling long. See how there's a little, let's have a look through this. So he's calling long. So, that guy, Roland Australia, Nvidia long. This orange one means no position, so they didn't choose whether they think it's going to be long or short. This guy here is calling short. This guy here is, not calling a position. So we can easily see that. So I'm going to click on the little green guy here, so Roland, and it'll open up his idea. So see Roland, it's gone straight to his idea, and you can see what he was saying. He's net long on the regression break, so that's what he's decided to take as a position. And you can kind of sort of see users who might be getting calls, more regularly right than others. This was a nice big dip here. These three people have all called long. So the bottom one is Master Ananda. The next one is Mana 35924, Paper Mache Hands. And so if I click on this one down the bottom, Master Ananda, it'll open up his idea. You can see that he was very clearly calling long. And from there it's done very well. So that's just a very, very quick explanation as to how you can very quickly see what other traders are doing and what they're calling on these TradingView charts. And you can then have a look at their analysis and see who you might want to follow based on who's making the right calls. Anyway, thank you for listening.